Hello friends, how you doing today? Welcome to my channel. I have a little couple of happy mails to share with you today. So I received two happy mails, and one is from Donna and one is from Jovi. So these were a surprise. I did not know they were coming, so let's see what I received. This one's from Donna and I've covered up the addresses here, and I wanted to show you the pretty little Thanksgiving stickers that were on here, right here and right here, and then on the back too, all decorated. And I really appreciate that. I know that takes extra time because I don't usually do that because I don't have, I just, you know, get the package together and I just don't have a lot of time to decorate the outside. I try to do a really good job on the inside and do my best there, but I just don't have time to go any further. So I really appreciate that extra time. And so let's see. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's see, did I get everything? Yes, I did. Such a nice envelope. So what did she send me? Oh my goodness, this is like a little cool folder. Yes. Good idea. I've never done this exact thing, so may have to copy this, Donna. This is from Donna. Let me see. Okay, we've got two pockets. Okay, I'm figuring it out here. So I want to take everything else so you can see this book page pocket. So let me see. That's the top pocket. There's one more thing. Did I get everything out of the top pocket? One more thing. A couple more things. There's a lot of things you can fit in these pockets. So this is so cool. This is the bottom pocket. So several book pages, but isn't this a nice way to use your book pages? So she's got a couple here, that makes it feel nice and sturdy. And then it looks like she took one and two more book pages, folded them so that they would be overlapping, but this one's, you know, would be taller, or you can put it up a little bit so it's above this one. And then she did three, it looked like three around blue thread messy stitching, and she left the threads. Very cool. And then she decorated here with a little strip of collaging. So pretty. Love it all here. The background. Here's some like, let me just show you up close so I don't have to say the wrong thing. But see, the background papers are really pretty. This looks like maybe Tim Holtz. A little sewing right there on that little strip. That could be a good idea for some little and this is for myself too. I'm talking to myself here. This is a really good idea to use up little tiny scraps, strip scraps like that. She just sewed right through there, a little zigzag, and added it. And really, it's simple when you think about it because it's only three pieces right here. But isn't it? Doesn't it look so pretty? And then she's got some numbers here joining these two sections together. And this says "Create Your Own Sunshine." And a beautiful butterfly, which feels papery, so it's probably not Tim Holtz. It probably is cut out from a book or something. And then she's got some bling on the butterfly. Also a great idea, and something I don't use a lot because sometimes I get kind of stumped on what to do with the bling. You know what I mean? So very pretty. Thank you, Donna, for all the great ideas. And we haven't even looked to see what came in this beautiful pocket here. So let's see, let's go over the bottom goodies here, the bottom pocket goodies. So beautiful tag, oh, with an eyelet and some pretty trimmings here. And let me just show you, it's nice and thick too. So she's got some kind of cardstock or something inside there. Folded a book page around here. Looks like it's folded, like she folded it around. How did you do that? Yeah, because it's definitely over the edges. So she folded it around and then cut it maybe. Put an eyelet and some string there. And then here's just a pretty little one here. And she's got some, it's like coffee dyed on the back, but I think it's all one piece, like from a punch out or something. I'm not sure. Ooh, isn't this pretty? Wow, that's a very delicate looking doily, and it's small. So cute. I love that. Oh, it's like is it a sticker? I think it feels like it's gummed on the back maybe. I'm not sure, but it's very beautiful. I've never seen one like that. That's awesome. Thank you, Donna. And here's another one. There's a little note on the bottom there. Okay, so it says, Yeah, it says happy. If I hold it up right, I can read it. And this is like cardstocky scrapbook paper. Oh, here's a note to me. Okay, I got it now. Let's see what's happening here. So I'll read that in a minute. I'm not sure what it says, but okay. I got it, Donna. I found a note. Oh boy. Takes me a minute sometimes, right? Okay, so this is really pretty. A good, nice combination. I love the background. Oh, she's got coffee dye paper on the back here. And then pretty, I love the background here of this green. And then it's a different color over here. Like several different scraps maybe. Just a lot of little scraps on there, but isn't it pretty topped off with that? It's like a felt flower there. Great ideas. And then she has matching yarn up here. Very pretty. Thank you so much. And a white envelope that she has dyed, it looks like. Here's the opening, but look at this coloring. Now you have to let me know how you did this because I love experimenting with my colors and dyeing things, and I have some white envelopes. So did you spray this or how did you do this? Because that's really cool. I have some white envelopes that I would love to do something with like this. So, and then she had washi tape closing that, and there's some goodies in here. Oh, some little frames. Aren't these pretty? They're very thick, like chipboard, kind of. So 4 frames, and they have little holes here where I can put brads in if I want to, little punch out holes. So they all have the little punch out holes. Those are going to come in handy. I don't have anything like that either. Here's what they look like on the back. See, like chipboard. So very cool. Thank you. Awesome. So that was the bottom pocket, the lower pocket. This is the upper pocket. Let me see what we got here. So exciting. Pretty journaling card here. Very shabby chic looking. And, oh, this is neat. From well, I don't know what it's from, but it's really cool. It's a butterfly with some description over here. The morning, does this say cloak? The morning cloak, maybe? The goatweed emperor on the back. But isn't that very vintage looking? Very pretty. Thank you, Donna. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at these 3. Okay, is it 3? Oh, this is folds. Okay, let's see. So, oh, isn't that pretty? Look at that, all sewn. So it's like a snippet roll of papers and pretty paper scraps. These all really go well together too. Maybe some of them are from the same paper pad with all the greens and the peaches and things and yellows. But she has put them down this way maybe, and then this way. So this is a good idea because you know, it sometimes might be hard to figure out how to I was trying to think of something like this the other day. So thank you, Donna. I was trying to think of how to put paper scraps down and sew them in a way that is not crazy. You know what I mean? Like in an organized way. And this is the perfect example. So, yeah, this is, it looks like strips are going this way. And then she put these strips over here. And you see how well it coordinates, but it doesn't have to coordinate perfectly. And then she sewed, let's see if I can tell. It looks like she sewed these strips on first. I could be wrong, but it looks like this stitching goes under there. It's the only reason I'm saying that. This zigzag. So she zigzagged once there, twice here. That's printed stitching. And then see twice on each one of the bigger ones. And is that right? And then once on this little one, and then around. And she may have gone around. Well, it goes like here, around, all around here too, with zigzag, and then straight across here. But whatever it is, it looks really organized and pretty. And here's the back. So she put paper on the back too, or maybe this was double-sided scrapbook paper. And this is, or maybe it was one-sided and I don't know. But anyway, yeah, maybe this was double-sided scrapbook paper and then she just added to it. And then there's a strip here though, which is really cool. Yeah, she put a strip there. So anyway, however you did it, Donna, it's really cool. And I love it. So thank you. And there's strings on right here and here. So, and in here too. So that is really cool. I know I'm probably spending too much time on it. I'm just trying to figure these things out. So this is pretty too. This is some kind of craft colored paper in the back. She's got, it's pretty thick, so I don't know. It's more than at least two or so layers, but it is kind of maybe Mod Podge possibly. So that helps it, you know, be strong too and gives it some sturdiness. But craft paper, I see book page. Then I see this is probably a pretty napkin. And look how, if you just tear it and put that one layer down and then Mod Podge, I guess, and then sewed, and see how it's got straight and zigzag there. So just a good example of a lot of things here that we can try, right? I love this though. I haven't worked with my napkins in a while, so that was very inspirational. Thank you, Donna. Now, I was wondering, I didn't know if I'd have enough time to open two. I hope you guys don't mind me opening both in the same video, but I figured it would be all right. Let's see, now this is a pretty envelope from Jovi. She does the flamingos. I covered up, this is washi and this is washi, so this wasn't here. I just covered up the addresses, but she's got a flamingo here and her flamingo bags that she uses, so very cool. I love those. I don't know if I can open. I think I'm going to have to just cut a little bit right here, and then maybe I can save most of the bag and do something with it later. Reuse it in some way. I'll figure it out. I do that out if it could be for shipping too, and I'll put it in there with my shipping stuff. And see, look, this part's great, and this is still together. I would just have to cover up this label part. So yeah, this could totally be reused. So what did Jovi send me? A pumpkin bag. Oh, that's cute. Oh, look, here's another side to it. Isn't that cute? Boo, it says. She didn't tell me. I haven't well, I think I communicated by video and let her know by video that I received it. So hopefully she saw that about a week ago. I received these two. Okay, this is a little paper clip. A little paper clip. Isn't that cute? Thank you, Joey. It's chipboard, and then it's got a chipboard boo, and it's got two little pieces of red bling and some pretty ribbon here. And then let's open it up and see what is inside. See, this is a little bit glued down here, which is fine. But I can totally reuse this bag too. You know I will. That is cute. I hadn't seen bags like that, so awesome. All right, so let's see. What did Jovi send me? Little bags of goodness here. Let's see. Now this looks like your creative studio bag. I recognize that. It could be something else, but this is what the Your Creative Studio bags look like. So it's sealed right here. I always try to reopen these so I can reuse them carefully, and I have reused some of them. So let's see what's in here. Let's see. Oh, goody, some Halloween stuff and a little teacup. Oh, did you cut these with your I don't know if you have a Cricut or what you have, you know, what type of cutting machine you have. I know I've seen it. I just don't remember which one you have. There's a few different ones out there, right? But we've got a spider web and a few teacups. Aren't those cute? I did make a tea journal recently, so hopefully I'll start gathering stuff for another one day. But those are so pretty. I don't have I have a Cricut, but it doesn't work. so I don't use it. But that would be cool to cut out stuff like that. And these look like maybe punches, or they could have been cut out with a Cricut too. I know Cricuts will cut out things like this if it works, if you have a Cricut that works. So there we go. And then some doilies, and I don't have any color doilies like this, so thank you, Jovi. Red and yellow and purple and green and blue and pink. Very handy. Yes, I can see those in one of my children's book journals. Those will be fun. And this paper looks like Your Creative Studio, but it looks like a box that I didn't get. I didn't get August. I stopped it in, July was my last one. So yeah, that's really pretty. I love these types of papers. So thank you. I don't have that one. And some book pages. These are pretty, very pretty impressionism, it says here. Very pretty artwork. Thank you. I might have to put these in my glue book, Jovi. Was this a swap and glue? I didn't say swap and glue. Wait, I haven't found a note yet. I bet it's in here, and I have to read Donna's note too. I will read that, Donna, after the video. But very, very cool. Okay, let's see. Let's put that right there. Now here's a little package. Let's see. We've got some of this fabric here that I know she sent me some of this fabric, and she said it was vintage fabric. And of course I love gingham, so I always use little strips like that too. And so there's so many handy uses for those. So this is some paper. Cool. This is nice. I like it. Yes, this is very nice. I could see that being used in so many ways. Backgrounds for tags, or even a whole page in a journal. Oh, and some little fabrics. Cool. Thank you. Wow. Well, that was so nice for you to share these with me. Like I said, this was a surprise. Both of these were a surprise. I didn't know they were coming, so super cool. Oh, look at this. I like that. Looks like it was from a valance, from a kitchen curtain. Isn't that cute, though? Look at this. I love the fruit. That's so neat. Ooh, little tags. or pockets or tuck spots. So many things, right? And these are very pretty. I love that, too. And, well, the goodies just keep on coming, don't they? These look like they, well, I'm not sure, but very delicate little butterflies here. Are these, maybe these are stamped? I'm not sure. Or they could have come like that. I don't know, but they're very pretty. And then we've got some gauzy fabric here. Very vintage looking, though, as far as the color. And then some little pieces here, like shabby chic colors. Like green and rose, you know, rose type colors. See, here's the rose. And there's some more green leaves. Very cool. Those always come in handy. Can make some clusters out of those. And here's a couple more pieces that feel like upholstery, possibly. But aren't those colors pretty for fall? Yes, I will definitely have to do something with this. This looks like it wants to be a tag. And look at these matching yarns. Perfect, right? Isn't that nice? Thank you so much. In fact, these all could go together. Look at this. These all, this all could go together. Look at the colors. That's probably what you did, Jovi, right? These are all coordinated. I'm just figuring it out here, guys. Okay, so are these all coordinated? Look at this. This is coordinated. These are all coordinated. And then these actually all go with this too. Look, see, all the colors go together. Isn't that cool? Well, thank you so much. You've just done my tag video for me this coming week, maybe. We'll see what I do. I haven't made a plan for that yet, but that could be used this week. So that was everything. Thank you so much, ladies, for the nice surprise. You know, happy mail is always welcome, isn't it, guys? So thank you so much. And here's all my goodies. Let me just show you a recap here. Not a recap, but all these goodies from these beautiful, wonderful friends that we all watch on YouTube. Thank you so much. And I will link their Donna doesn't have a channel, but Jovi certainly does. So if you don't know Jovi, I will link her channel in my description box. And be sure to go check her out, because she does lots of fun and really cool and beautiful things over on her channel. So thanks, everybody. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy crafting!